let me show you how to reset your Roblox avatar to default. There's no one button to do this, but I'll show you a workaround to revert back to the default. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android or a computer. And first we need to get into customizing your Roblox. You can see usually it will have certain kinds of clothing on it. It might have some classic t-shirts turned on. Now there's no one button to revert back to default, but essentially we can go through and uncheck everything and get us back to normal. So if we go to head and body, you can see we can start at head and just type in the standard hair. We can just choose the standard hair as well as a standard skin color, whatever you prefer. And then just keep going through this list. You can choose if you want a man head or a blockhead. And then faces, again, you can choose the standard smile. And torso, you can choose a man torso, or you can uncheck it if you want the standard blocky torso. And we'll do the same for left arm and right arm. We can just uncheck this and just get back to the blocky look. Or you can choose man leg or woman leg, whatever you prefer here. And then build, you can also choose to customize the build so that it just looks kind of like an average avatar here. And now from here, all you need to do is go through and you can customize the clothing, etc., and start over fresh.